In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a PDF, selecting what you want to tweak, and making clean edits using the built-in tools, all without leaving your browser. First, open Adobe Express. You can use any modern browser, and it's best to have a stable internet connection so your file uploads quickly and your edits respond smoothly. If you already have your PDF handy on your desktop or in a clearly labeled folder, that will make the next step faster. Next, click Upload PDF and select your PDF file. A file picker will appear, letting you navigate to the right location. Choose the version you actually want to work on. If you keep drafts, double-check the file name and date before you confirm. Larger PDFs with many pages or high-resolution images may take a moment to load, so give it a little time. Once the file is uploaded, Adobe Express will prepare it so the content becomes editable. When the PDF is open, click directly on the text, images, or other elements you want to change. You'll notice that editable areas highlight when selected, and you'll see bounding boxes around them. If you're working with small type or intricate layouts, zoom in so you can select precisely what you need. You can click a text block to place your cursor, or click an image to select it as an object. If elements overlap, click carefully near the edges, or use multiple clicks to cycle through layered items until the right one is selected. With an element selected, use the toolbar to make your edits. For text, you can update the wording, fix typos, or adjust the tone. The toolbar lets you change the font, size, alignment, spacing, and color. Aim for consistent fonts and sizes across similar sections to keep the design cohesive, and choose colors with enough contrast for readability. For images, you can resize using the corner handles to maintain proportions, rotate if needed, and replace an image with another from your device. Keep an eye on image clarity. High-resolution replacements will look sharper, especially if the PDF is viewed on larger screens. For shapes or other design elements, you can tweak, fill and stroke colors, adjust opacity, and reposition them to improve balance. Throughout your edits, use undo if something doesn't look right, and rely on visual guides that help align elements neatly. That's the entire workflow. Open Adobe Express, upload your PDF, click what you want to change, and use the toolbar to refine it. Take your time, review your pages carefully, and make consistent adjustments for a polished result.